Okay, one last example before you start practicing yourself. This is the integral of 4 times the 7th root of 8 minus 5x dx. So we are going to have to use a u substitution here. So the whole goal is we need to make it u to a power. So this is, I'm going to start this a little differently than the last one. Let's convert this to a power right now. This is 8 minus 5x to the 1/7. So what the goal is to make it u to a power, not 8 minus 5x to a power. So we'll let u be the 8 minus 5x. U equals 8 minus 5x. And then the next step, and if you haven't figured this out yet, I should stress it, is after you make a u, you always, always, always have to figure out what du is. So the next step when you figure out or you choose what u is, write du. And then du is whatever the derivative of u is, and in this case it's just a -5. And then you have to write on the end of that dx. So now you make all of your substitutions. So first of all, this integral, I'll make the substitution right here. That 4 is a constant. So as always, I just like to factor it out. 8 minus 5x is what we said u is going to be. So 8 minus 5x, we're going to write u. You still have the 1/7 there. And then dx, this is why the dx part is so important. We have to substitute for the dx. We already substituted for that. We factored this out. This is part of our integral. Dx is found right here. And dx, you don't have to write this out all the time. You can usually just do it in your head. But dx is du divided by -5. So du over -5. And the -1/5 there is a constant. So I'm going to factor it out. So it's just really a simple integral, which integrals are. After you go through the work of making all the substitutions, the integral has to be simple because we only have that one rule, the power rule, which tells us to add 1, so plus 7 over 7, multiply by the reciprocal there, multiply by 7/8. We're going to multiply this out. The 8 and the -4 can reduce like so. That's -1, that's 2. So it's going to be -7 over 10 times u to the 8/7. But remember, u is 8 minus 5x to the 8/7. And we're done. So I'm going to add my plus c. Plus c. And then you can check by taking the derivative, or you can just Wolfram alpha it, and Wolfram alpha confirms it. That's it. So you're going to have a few to practice. Make sure you're consistently getting them right. If not, you should rewatch the videos, ask questions, or whatever you need to do. So good luck.